Let's learn fruit names. Hey kids, look at this. This is an apple. This is an apple. Apple is good for health. Kids, see this? This is a papaya. This is a papaya. Papaya keeps stomach healthy. Look here, kids. This is a banana. This is a banana. Banana gives energy. Hey kids, check this out. This is an orange. This is an orange. Orange keeps body healthy. Kids, look here. This is a mango. This is a mango. Mango helps growth. Hey kids, see this one. These are grapes. These are grapes. Grapes make body strong. Look at this, kids. These are cherries. These are cherries. Cherries help better sleep. Hey kids, watch this. These are blueberries. These are blueberries. Blueberries are good for brain. Kids, take a look. This is a pineapple. This is a pineapple. Pineapple helps digestion. Hey kids, look at this fruit. This is a peach. This is a peach. Peach is good for skin. Kids, see this fruit? This is a watermelon. This is a watermelon. Watermelon keeps body cool. Hey kids, check this fruit. This is a pear. This is a pear. Pear keeps stomach healthy. Kids, look at this one. This is a pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. Pomegranate gives healthy blood. Hey kids, see this fruit? This is a strawberry. This is a strawberry. Strawberry is good for skin. Kids, look at this. This is a coconut. This is a coconut. Coconut gives strength.